Well, uh-oh. Well, uh-oh, it's Thanksgiving. Well, uh-oh. You guys know that video? Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Ty and Gig Builds. Just Gig here today. I'm your host. Tyler's brewing up a nice programming build for you guys, just to hold you over. Just a week, don't worry, not too long. Easy build, easy scrap build. Nice little turkey here. We know Thanksgiving's coming up, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step, baby. Easy builds. What's up, guys? Look, I know, we like to eyeball stuff, so I'm gonna start off drawing out some of these turkey feathers with a little bit of this extra scrap wood we had laying around. We got a lot of scrap here. All right, these are the wings, baby. All right, we got base of the body, neck and head, the feet, the nose, and the little red snood thing that hangs from its face. We're gonna saw these out. We're gonna chisel them out and get this guy going here. This thing is starting to look like a turkey. Okay, I got all the feathers here. Just want to get this lined up. that easy. Couple easy builds for these weeks. Don't worry, like I said before, Tyler's brewing up a nice Christmas build. I'm heading up north to help him out with that real soon. So check it out. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. We appreciate all the support. Don't worry, your minds are gonna be blown this Christmas at the Ty and Gig Builds shop. Builds, baby. Builds, baby. Builds.